Day 79, the tree watch. The woodpecker tree saga continues. It's not going to fall down today, that's for sure, unless somebody big and fat and heavy lands on top of it. Or one of these munchkins climbs up. You need a parachute, kid, if you go up there. So we've got 4 cubs and mum here today. And a squirrel. And a million mosquitoes still. Hi baby. Tide's out. You guys will be down there fishing tonight. That's where they go. When they've done here for their snack, they go down the river. When the tide's out, they can get in the swampy bits there and catch frogs and fish and shellfish. There's all sorts of mussels and shellfish and clams down there. So Mum teaches this lot what to do. So they don't rely on me. There's plenty of food down there, just at the end of the garden. Just past them brambles. And that was a hummingbird. Hello. Not going to try it?